The first project for our front porch makeover will be DIY stone planter boxes. The first step in this project is to create your planter boxes. So for that, we're going to use pressure treated plywood. My planter boxes are going to measure 2 feet high and 2 feet wide. I'm just going to go ahead and rip the plywood into 4 different sections of these dimensions. Next, I'm going to use my miter saw to cut the legs out of these 1x2 boards. I'm going to make them the length of the planter box plus 2 inches because I do want a little stick out at the bottom. Next, I'm going to start assembling my planter boxes. Now there's a million ways to do this, but what I like to do is first use finishing nails to attach the legs to the plywood sides and then secure them with exterior screws. Then you just start piecing your box together, and you can use clamps and wood glue also. Once the planter box is put together, it's time to install the type bar to the exterior of the planter box. This acts as a moisture barrier for your stone later. Simply trace your dimensions onto the type bar and then just use regular scissors to cut out the length and the width that you need for your box. To attach the type bar to the box, remember to put the felt side inward, and you can use stainless steel staples and also cap nails. What kind of DIYer would I be without a rain screen rollout? You're going to cut out the rain screen the same way that you did the type bar, to be the length and the width of your planter boxes. It's very important to not cut out the rain screen too large because you don't want to have tenting on the edges of your box. So you want to make sure that it's a little bit away from each edge because that could cause tenting. You're going to go ahead and attach the rain screen with cap nails. You're going to have to pre-drill holes first and then attach the cap nails into your hole. If you don't have a drill bit small enough to pre-drill your holes, a little trick I like to use is using a screw instead. Now it's the moment you've all been waiting for, the stone reveal. I went with Morning Aspen in a capital sky pattern. So the first thing that you're going to do is create lines all across the front of your box. This is going to act as just kind of a visual guide for installing your stone. This is the pattern that I'm going to go ahead and attempt to apply. My absolute favorite thing about Evolve Stone is how easy it is to attach. All you need are stainless steel nails and a 16 gauge nail gun. They attach simply. All you have to do is point the nail at a little bit of an angle for an extra hold. No messy grout or mortar. Then you just keep applying your stone in the pattern that you've selected all around the box. How awesome do these look, y'all? Now the only question left is when am I going to do the mailbox to match? I hope y'all love these 2 projects and our front porch makeover. Thanks so much for watching Home Talk. See you next time.